Birdwatching Rangers, my name's Lily. I'm a ranger here on the lands of the Bunurong people on the Mornington Peninsula, and I've just been doing some bird watching with my binoculars. And I thought I could share some tips with you. Have you ever wondered how someone knows the names of all the birds? There's so many out there. So a few things that help me identify birds is my binoculars. These help magnify the birds, so when they're really far away, it's much easier for me to see their shape, their colors, and the kind of behaviors that they're showing. Another really helpful thing to have is my field guide. This is full of pictures and information and maps that let me know where these birds live, the kind of habitat that they're in, and what they like eating, and a little bit about what they look like as well. So a field guide can be super handy, but also being a good nature lover, I always go out with a piece of paper, a notebook, a clipboard, and a pencil to write notes down. I can draw some pictures, or just note some stuff down to jog my memory later. So a tip that I have for bird watching is, number one, you need to be really patient. You need to be really quiet and sit in a nice spot and just wait for the birds to come to you. That's sometimes the hardest thing. Another thing is my little friend here is going to help me show you. This is a hooded plover. It actually lives on the back beaches, but it's here to help me today. There's some key things that you can look at when you're trying to identify a bird. The first thing is, how big is it? Is it a huge bird like a big wedge-tailed eagle, or a tiny little fairy wren? Birds come in so many different sizes, but also shapes. Is its body upright, or is its body more like this and horizontal? And those big first things that you notice about a bird can help you narrow down to figure out what you're looking at. Something else to look at is the size and the shape of the beak. Also the size and the shape of the legs and the feet. This can tell us a lot about what the bird eats and also the kind of habitat that it lives in. Again, helping us narrow down what we're looking at. And probably the most obvious is the feathers. Looking at the colors and the patterns that they make and paying really close attention to where those patterns are. They could be on the front of the bird here, they could be right on the top, or they could be in the tail. So paying close attention to the colors and where those colors are on the different parts of the bird is also really helpful. And that's it. You've just got to get out there and practice. You've got to use your ears for listening, your eyes for looking, and stay nice and quiet and calm to allow the birds to feel safe to come and be near you. So get out there, have some fun, and enjoy bird watching.